Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to reset your laptop so it feels like it's brand new again. So, let's get started. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. In the Settings window, click System, then scroll down and select Recovery. Next to Reset this PC, click Reset PC. You'll now see two options, Keep My Files and Remove Everything. If you choose Remove Everything, Windows will erase all of your personal files, installed apps, and settings, giving you a completely fresh start. If you select Keep My Files, your personal documents, photos, and other files will remain, but Windows will still remove your installed applications and reset your system settings. After choosing the option that best fits your needs, you'll be asked how you'd like to reinstall Windows. You can select Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. In most cases, Local Reinstall is faster because it uses the Windows files already stored on your laptop. If needed, you can also click Change Settings to customize the reset process. Click Next, and Windows will prepare everything for the reset. Before the process begins, you'll see a summary of what will happen. If you selected Keep My Files, your personal data will stay on the device, but your apps and settings will be removed. You can also click View Apps that will be removed to see a complete list of programs that will be uninstalled. Once you're ready, click Reset. Your laptop will restart and begin the reset process. Depending on your system, this may take some time, so be patient until it's complete. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.